guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan if you're new here today. Today it's a little bit of an exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my medium tan Telfar bag. If you guys don't know too much about this brand, this is a brand by Telfar Clemons. He is a Liberian-American designer. He came out with this brand back in 2005 and it is a black owned business, so I'm very excited because they call it like the millennial Birkin. So if you know about this brand at all, you know it's actually really hard to get your hands on this bag because they have releases for specific colors and specific sizes, you know, maybe like once a week, maybe a little bit less often. So I did get the medium tan bag, but today is actually March 30th 2021, and it just so happens that Telfar is having the bag security program. And basically what this means is that anybody has full access to get any amount of bags, any color, any size for 24 hours. And it started this morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and it's ending tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So go ahead and grab your bag. They'll still be doing launches and restocks, but for certain sizes and colors. But today and tomorrow is really the only day you can get as many as you want to, as many colors. Just put them all in your cart, get whatever you want. So I think I'll go ahead and probably grab the small black one and maybe the small pool blue because I really like the pop of color. And what girl, I just need like a little black bag. What girl doesn't? So I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought, but hey, I think this bag is pretty big, so let's see. Oh gosh. All right. So it comes in this big dust bag. I know a lot of people, well, let's start by saying the price of this tan bag was $202 USD. The small one is $150 and then the large one is $257. So I did pay $202 for this bag, free shipping, and I think the taxes were included. I know a lot of people were kind of disappointed that for like a affordable luxury brand, it didn't come in like a box or anything. But you do have this dust bag, and once you take it out, I'm not gonna say that the dust bag is like the best quality. It's just like a standard dust bag, but I mean, people are like into like reusing it, so you could do that if you want to. I probably won't get too much use out of it. Okay, so here is the bag, and it is a perfect like cognate tan color. And honestly, it's not that big. Like, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, like when I was watching videos, like probably everybody did before they purchased the bag. It did come with this little piece to hold the straps together, so that came off, but it's really cute. And then you have the handles, of course. And then you have your long, non-adjustable, non-removable straps, which I know a lot of people weren't really digging. I don't really care, to be honest. I'll probably just tuck them inside of the bag if I mean, because you could obviously wear it as like a crossbody, or you know, you could just carry it like that. I don't really care. So let's go ahead and open her up. And this is a beautiful color, honestly. And then of course you have your tag right here, the Telfar tag. Honestly, this is a really good size for like an everyday bag. Like, I thought this was going to be a lot bigger. Honestly, if I were to be honest, I wish there was like a size between the small and the medium. Here's the inside. Like I said, here's the tag right here. And then you have your magnetic closure right here, and it's actually pretty strong. And then I think you have your secret compartment. I think that's what it was, which is the zipper part right here. The zipper is okay. It's nothing special. I wish it was a little smoother. Kind of snags, but maybe put, I don't know. There's probably things that you could do to kind of get that to loosen up. Actually, maybe I was just holding it wrong because it's zipping fine. Ish. Anyway. So here's the bag. It's really cute. I really like it, honestly. It's like a perfect everyday bag. Run into the mall, your carry-on for the airport. It's just like the perfect tan color. What I've noticed when whenever they have their releases at 9 a.m., usually the small and the largest are the first to go. Because I've noticed for a couple of launches, the medium is always there, even like a couple of hours after. But I think with the medium, I think it's really sold out after 13 minutes. I mean, I had already purchased my bag within like the first 4 minutes. Like I was like, I'm getting this. But then like 13 minutes after, it was gone. So yeah, here's the bag. And then I do have this insert just to kind of make sure everything's organized. I wish I kind of got a different color, but it should be fine. It's a little color difference, but who cares? So let's go ahead and slip that in there. And that'll just help it give it some shape, so like the heavier items that you put in won't get it to droop down. And I think it's really cute when it doesn't drip down like that. So here it is. And honestly, that's all there's much to it. Let me go ahead and see how it looks like on. Okay, so obviously here's a better look of the bag. Like I said, you could wear it like this as a shoulder bag, and the straps like that. Or you could use it as a crossbody and then wear it like this. The only thing I don't really care for is that these straps kind of stick up, but it's not that serious. But the bag keeps its nice shape. And it's just really nice. The embossed detail right here is just really pretty. And I just love this color. Like honestly, Telfar did their thing with this. They really did. Now time to get the black and maybe the pole blue, and I think I'm, well, probably not done, but that's a good start. Alright, so that concludes my unboxing of my medium tan Telfar. Like I said, they're having a bag security program, so you can get any bag, any color, any size today and tomorrow until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't sleep, go ahead and cop your bag and you won't regret it. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.